Hi everyone, this is Matt from Lexicomp, and today I'd like to take a few minutes to show you some of the newest enhancements to the Lexicomp software for the iPhone, iPad, and the iPod Touch. Now we're pretty excited about these changes to the application, things like reordering of the library screen, the addition of audio files of drug pronunciations to the monographs, and downloadable images, tables, and charts. They're really going to add a whole new dimension to the app, and it's going to make it even easier than ever to get the drug information you need. Now, one thing I'd like to say before we get started is thank you to all of you that took the time to provide your thoughts and to let us know what you wanted in this app. A lot of the changes you'll see today have been the direct result of customer feedback and requests. These have been the things that you directly asked for, and we're pleased to be able to get these into your hands today. Remember, we're always looking for feedback, so if you've got a question or have something to say, head over to our Facebook page and leave a comment, say something to us on Twitter, or just visit our website and contact our support staff. Okay, so no more talking. Let's have a look at what's new. First of all, it's important to note that to see any of these new enhancements, you'll need to do two things. First, you'll have to update your software using the Update button within the app. Then, after you update your databases, you'll need to upgrade to version 1.7 through iTunes, either on your device or through your computer. Once you get the database and the app updated, you'll then see the changes. Once that's done, the first change you may notice is that your library is a lot cleaner now. In fact, depending on the product package you have, it may look somewhat empty. If you have not updated your databases prior to updating your app, you may see only the history and the other databases available listing. Any databases that have expired or have not been downloaded and updated will disappear. It's not a problem, they're not gone, it just means that you'll have a longer update to do now. And to get these back, all you'll have to do is do an update. So that's what I'm going to do first, update my app. I'll click on the Other Databases button, select the updates I want to do, and then hit the Update button. For purposes of this video, I'm just going to update a few databases, LexiDrugs, Drug Allergies, and LexiInteract. You'll notice, even if you have the databases already loaded, that there may be an update to do. This is the audio content from the pronunciation field within each monograph. As usual, we recommend that you be on Wi-Fi to do your update. Sometimes trying to do this on the cell signal can take a while. Now, as I'm updating my databases, I also want to point out that you've probably noticed the Add Products field has disappeared. It's actually just moved to the bottom to prevent confusion and to give more screen real estate to your updates. If you do need to add a new product, just scroll to the bottom and add it there. Now, after these have been updated, I'm going to go back into my library screen and I'll see all my databases listed there. One of the new features is the ability to reorder anything in your library, even the History button. Simply tap the Edit button at the top and drag and drop the databases in the order you'd like to see them. Additionally, something we've been asked for since the app was released, you can now delete any database you no longer want. Tap on the red minus sign and then confirm the deletion. If you decide later that you want to use this database, just go back to the Update screen and update it. Now that I have my library cleaned up, I want to get into a drug monograph to see what's new there. I'll use one of my go-to drugs for these demos, amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium. Now, if you haven't noticed before, within many of the drug monographs, there's a button at the top that says Show in Drug ID. Selecting this will bring up all the images for that particular medication. Until now, these have only been available when you had an active cell or a Wi-Fi signal. With the recent changes, these images are now stored directly on your device, so you can access them even when you're out of range. Remember, not all medications have images yet. We're continuing to add these daily. Finally, we've added audio pronunciations to most monographs within LexiDrugs. Now, within the monographs, you'll see the pronunciation field is a new audio hyperlink that will open a sound clip on your device, providing clear pronunciation of the medication in question, so you never have to worry about how the drug name is pronounced. Here's an example of the medication we're looking at.
Amoxicillin and clavulanate potassium.
And there you have it. Those are the three big new changes to the iPhone app. First, the ability to customize your library to best suit your clinical needs. Second, drug images are now stored on your device. And third, audio pronunciation files within the drug monographs. So, let us know what you think. Whether you like it, love it, it doesn't impact you at all, we want to know. Come to our Facebook page and post a comment. say something to us on Twitter, or come to our website and send a message to one of our support staff. We love hearing from you, and we'll be happy to help and answer any questions that you may have.